Hofmann Engineering's 53 years old. We originally started by two brothers who immigrated from Germany after the Second World War. They realised quite quickly that the quality of the gears that we were making in Australia at the time were quite poor. And so they literally imported some second-hand gear cutting equipment over from Germany, installed it in their garage and started cutting gears. And so from those really humble, family-centric origins, they built themselves a gear manufacturing business, which over time has grown to be Hofmann Engineering as we know it today, across 5 manufacturing sites here in Australia and another 4 manufacturing sites overseas. So Hofmann Engineering's had the Bendigo site for about 11 years now. About 5 years ago, we had a step change in the level of technology that was employed here in the facility when we won the bogie contract for the new trains for Melbourne. On securing that contract with local content proportions and industry commitments, Hofmann put in $11 million of new machines into the factory. We installed some European world-class welding robots and also a high-speed gantry mill, which was brand new, bought out of the Netherlands. On the back of that investment, we also had automated blast, washing, painting facilities. Quite a transformational few years for the business to start that bogie line. One of the benefits of operating a business here in a regional area is we typically have access to a more practical and hands-on labour force than we would typically in a metropolitan environment. We have a very high level of apprentices. So we have, across the sites, we have a minimum 10%. We're very, very strong on our apprentice numbers and making sure that our apprentices rotate through all aspects of the workshop. So we end up with a tradesperson which is really well-rounded, and they don't have to be an expert at everything, but they're certainly knowledgeable of the full range of metal manufacturing processes. And so we can exploit that broad capability that's in their minds to deliver our high-quality goods at the end of the day. We're really optimistic about the future of this region, manufacturing and more broadly. There's a lot of support here to attract businesses and to see a manufacturing and industrial capability grow over time.